Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to explain how to create this wool logo in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, we will take the ellipse tool, press and hold shift key to create a perfect circle. Now we will make the fill color none and increase stroke to 25. Now with the help of direct selection tool we will remove the right part. Now select the shape and change the stroke profile to this. Now select, go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place and move to right side. Now select both, go to object, blend, make, go to object, blend and blend options, click on preview, specified step, put 5 and hit OK. Now we will make the copy and rotate. Go to effect, distort and transform, click on transform. Now number of copies 2, angle 120 degree and adjust the horizontally until you get adjustments like this and click on OK. Now select all, go to object, expand appearance. Now align it center. Now we will remove all the intersect parts. Select all, choose shape builder tool, press and hold alt key and you will see a tiny minus sign and use it like this. Remove all the parts. Now choose Pathfinder, click on Unite, align it center. Your logo design is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.